Hello everyone. Welcome to the HLB Talk session on the UAE corporate tax and its impact on the free zone companies. With the introduction of the UAE corporate tax law, the one major section in the UAE economy which was concerned about the corporate tax implication was the free zone. Now, free zone companies were established with the intention of gaining a 0% tax advantage. It can be said that it is one of the factors that motivated the free zone companies. But with the introduction of the corporate tax law, for a free zone company to get the 0% tax advantage, there are certain conditions which is stated in the law. The first is having adequate substance in the UAE. Second is earning a qualifying income. The third is having compliance with the arm's length principle and transfer pricing documentation. The other condition that needs to be satisfied is with respect to the de minimis requirements. Now, with respect to adequate substance, many of the companies are still not able to understand what level of substance is required. Now, mind you, this is a very important thing. It can differ from company to company, industry to industry, depending on the revenue. So, the primary factors which can define adequate substance is having adequate qualified experienced staff. Second is having office premises. Third is incurring operating expenditure in an adequate way, which help us to conduct the core income generating activity. The second is earning a qualifying income. Now, through the ministerial decision, it is made very clear what is a qualifying income. Now, to understand whether we are earning a qualifying income, the free zone company must understand which kind of customers they are dealing with, whether a free zone person or a non-free zone person. A thorough assessment of this is definitely required to understand whether a company in free zone is earning a qualifying income or not, because this is the important factor which will lead us to understand whether the free zone company can get 0% tax advantage or not. The third is compliance with the transfer pricing rules. Any transaction by the free zone company with its related party must be in compliance with the arm's length principle. If any transfer pricing documentation is required, then that compliance also must be strictly followed by the free zone company. The last important condition which a free zone company must satisfy is the de minimis requirement. Now, in line with the qualifying income, if the free zone company is earning any non-qualifying income which is above the threshold of the de minimis requirement, then they may not be categorized as a qualifying free zone person and they can lose the qualifying free zone person status for the current year as well as the next 4 years. So in short, this requires a very detailed introspection and then only a conclusion can be arrived at. To have more insight on this, kindly reach to us by clicking the link below. Follow us on YouTube and LinkedIn. Tune in, learn and stay ahead with HLB Hamd. Thank you.